to be teaching you how to, make your own codes in Gacha Club, as you can see by the title. Sorry if it's a bit laggy, but yeah. So let's get our characters and use any. So let's go. Forgot about the mountains. I had to re-record my voice because it was going to pass my voice. So we have Looney, right? So we're going to add our character right there. Yeah, let's see. And then you copy all. Because I can copy all. So let's put this back. And let's grab it right there. Copy all, and then we grab this. We grab our character. Because we're making our own pose, you can also do one character. This is also a help that you can, put your arms on top of somebody and got your club. And, yeah. We are going to, go and get this. Oh no. Well, we're going to do and recording my voice as fast as I can for this. Then we put this right there, and yeah. So then we go this is 3 whole minutes, and I'm gonna go as fast as I would. Good thing this is speeded up. I would have to talk for 3 or 7 minutes if I didn't just speed this up 2 times. So it's almost finally. But then we added any type of clothes, as you can see. And you grab the party part that you took by using the adjustments. And then you have to, go and add it. And you go and make the pose again. What pose you have, I'm going to pick. So see, this is not working. So you can always try, but if it gets too annoying, you have to find, sometimes a way to the arm can go on top. And then what you gotta do is, put the arm on, and yeah, I'm not gonna be talking voice mode, so just watch.